Hello everyone, quick tutorial here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save scenes in SketchUp as JPG or JPEG. Alright, let's say for example that you have created many scenes right here. Alright, just go ahead and click on the scene that you want to make as JPEG. Alright, for example here I have here scene 3. What we're going to do to export this one as JPEG is just click on scene 3, then go to file, hit on export, select 2D graphics. All right, and as you can see here, you can go ahead and click on the drop down right here if JPEG is not selected. All right, as you can see, there are a lot of file types right here. Just go ahead and select JPEG, and once done, rename your file, for example, house. All right, then hit on export. Once done, just go ahead and check your exported JPEG file. As you can see here, when we double click on it, there you have it. All right, if you want to export multiple scenes, just go ahead and go to SketchUp again and click on the scene that you wanted to export. Then go to file again, hit export, 2D graphic, JPEG, house, view 2. Export, wait for it to load, go back to your desktop, and as you can see, the house view 2 has been saved. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.